Hi guys, welcome to Puliari's kitchen. Today we are going to learn how to make potato and cauliflower sabji. Sabji means vegetable dish in English and it can be dry, wet or in curry form. I'm going to use potatoes and cauliflower for the sabji. After making the sabji, I will teach you how you can eat the sabji with tortillas. You can eat this sabji with rice, rotis, naan, etc. But today we are going to learn how to eat with tortillas. Tortilla is a Mexican flatbread made with flour. It's thin, flat, and circular like a roti. It is readily available in the stores in the US, so I'm going to use that. It's an easy and delicious recipe, so let's learn how to make it. To make this sabji, we need one small yellow onion or half of a big onion. I have chopped the onion and kept. I'm going to use one big potato. I have washed, peeled and cut the potato in small pieces. We need half cauliflower. I have cut the cauliflower florets, washed them in hot water and kept. We need 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of jeera powder and half teaspoon of coriander powder. Since we are going to eat the sabji with tortillas, we need tortillas. Switch on the stove on medium flame and in a pan you can add 3 tablespoons of oil. You can use a flat 12-inch pan if you have. Spread the oil evenly in the pan by tilting it. When the oil is hot, you can add the onions. Stirring the onions, you can cook them for 3 to 4 minutes. Add the potatoes and cauliflower florets to this now. Stir it well so it blends nicely with the onions. Add 1 teaspoon of salt or you can add salt according to your taste. This recipe is really easy to make and it's really good for college students when they have very little time to cook. They can even buy the cut cauliflower florets from the store, which will be easy for them. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Stir it well so the turmeric powder and the chili powder will be coated nicely to the potatoes and the cauliflower florets. Add half teaspoon of jeera powder and half teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix it well so the spice powders are nicely coated to the vegetables. Close it with the lid and cook on low flame for 12 to 15 minutes or until the potatoes are cooked. Open the lid every 5 minutes and stir it well so it doesn't get stuck or burnt at the bottom. We are not adding any water because it's going to cook with the moisture in the vegetables. Once the vegetables are cooked, you can switch off the stove. See how nicely it's cooked? This potato and cauliflower sabji is an all-time favorite recipe for a lot of people around the world. Stir it well and you can close it and keep. You can garnish with cilantro when you serve. Your world famous potato and cauliflower sabji from the Puliari's kitchen is ready to enjoy. This sabji is really easy to make and it's really good for beginners who are learning to cook. Now that the sabji is made, let's learn how to cook the tortillas and eat with the sabji. If you don't have tortillas, You can eat the sabji with rotis or chapatis or even with rice. To cook the tortillas, we need tortillas and vegetable oil. Switch on the stove on medium flame and heat a pan. When the pan is hot, you can add half teaspoon of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, you can add the tortilla to the pan and coat the oil to the tortilla on both sides by flipping it. Cook on one side for 1 or 2 minutes and then flip it. You can cook the tortilla without oil also. You can now add the sabji to the cooked side of the tortilla. Once the other side of the tortilla is cooked fully, you can fold the tortilla or wrap the tortilla with the vegetables inside and then you can remove it from the pan. You can transfer this to a plate and enjoy eating them. I'm sure you're going to love this recipe and thank you for watching the video.